Hi, Istvan.
Yeah, hi Harish, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thanks, Istvan. It's nice to see you here. I understand you're living in the US and otherwise from a different part of Europe. I'd like to know why you reached out to us, Istvan. What were the issues?
My wife found you, and after I impressed the videos what you stated on the YouTube or I don't know what channel, and I decided to meet with you and ask your help about my health issues. So it started. I start from toe to head. So my foot has a toenail fungus, and I couldn't rid of the last 30 years or 40 years. I tried everything. So far, it stay as is. I have spider veins on my ankle and up on the lower legs, and some varicose issues. And that one, I never had swallowed legs and like pain before, but a little bit getting better the spider veins. So the last 2 months I follow your treatment. And after if I coming up, I had a joint pain in my knees and my shoulder and almost everywhere, and mainly on my wrist and the thumb. As I follow your right now, almost all of the pain disappeared from the joint, so not on the knees, nothing on the shoulder. A little bit like a 10% remain on the thumb and the wrist.
Okay.
And after I had a heart problem a couple years back, and they fix it to put a stent to open the clog in my heart.
Mm-hmm.
And after they described to me some medication like calcium and beta blockers and blood pressure medication to lower my blood pressure, and I took it the last 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and also cholesterol medication. And 2 weeks, so after we start the treatment with you, I just, after 1 month, I have the doses. So, and like 2 weeks ago, I stopped all of the medication. So I didn't take any medication.
Beautiful.
Since then. And my blood pressure actually is same as before the heart problem. So it's like a 130, 135 by 80. That's the average. And the heart rate is right now is like 65. Before that, I feel like always tired and sleepy during the day and no energy. And after like 6 weeks of the treatment, I just feeling better.
Mm-hmm.
So the energy came back and I feeling better. I think I go back like 75%. If I remember the 100% energy level, so it's right now like 75. But before that is like a 40. So it's like a double level than before.
Excellent.
And otherwise, I sleep average like 8 hours a night. I had before sleep apnea, and I just know because of my wife told me, and some snoring. But since I lost weight, is getting better. So I feel fresh in the morning when I wake up. So it's better, getting better.
Excellent, excellent. What about your weight loss, Istvan?
Yes, before I met you, I was 114 pounds, and right now is 99. So it's like a 114 kilogram, and I'm now 99 kilograms. So I lost like a 15 kilogram the last 2 months.
Fantastic.
That I know it could help, and probably on that weight I was before like 40 years ago or 45 years ago. So since then, I always try to lose, but never was successful. And on this type of diet, somehow, and even without any hunger, I don't feel hungry.
Excellent.
And so that type works very well.
Very happy to hear all of this, Istvan. And if I may just summarize very quickly all that you shared, one is the sleep has got much better. Also, the sleep apnea. Weight loss has happened about 15 kilos in 2 months. Joint pains across the body, shoulders, knees, fingers, wrists, all has gone except the thumb. A little bit is still left over there.
Yes.
The energy levels have changed hugely. I think the BP has normalized. There is no heart medication, no BP medication, and you have to get a test done for your cholesterol and the heart. I am very certain when you do that, because you said you scheduled an appointment about 2-3 weeks later, I'm sure when you get that checked up, you will see a world of difference than what it was before.
Yeah, I'm very curious when saw the cholesterol level, because that was my whole problem all my life. I remember in younger age, it always tell me the cholesterol and the triglycerin is high, but I never take any steps to lower it, or if I try, it's not was successful.
Right.
So,
and I'm sure you'll get great results whenever you check that later.
okay.
You have to have
I let you know. Yes. Yeah, definitely my belly went down, and what was feeling was on the right side is always like a bulge, probably the liver side, but is right now is more symmetrical, so somehow is went down on that part. So
excellent. Thank you so much, Istvan, for wanting to share this with the world and helping them know of possibilities that lives can change without taking any medication and actually stopping your medication. Doing the right things, of course.
Thank you for your helping me to achieve these goals. I never thought in my lifetime getting here. So I always started, I need to, and everybody says me, you have to take whole life the medications, is a lifelong medication stuff, but I surprised I can live without them.
That is beautiful, Istvan. And also one last bit I'd like to share, if you are okay with, if I can talk about your age.
Yes, I'm 71.
Yes, you're 71 and you don't look it at all. I think you can go great going forward for many more years because of changes we've made and you've made to your life. And I can just wish you all the best.
Okay, thank you very much.